Continuing in our 10-minute Pilates series, we're working our upper back today. So if you haven't done the other 10-minute workouts, make sure you go through those and find those as well. Let's start seated, okay? So we're gonna start with your legs mat distance apart, legs straight out in front of you. This alone can be a hard position, which you have probably seen in some of the other Pilates workouts we've done. I just want you to try to sit up as tall as you can, and if you need to sit on a block, you can do that as well. So nice and tall, and you're gonna bring your arms out in front of you. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, arms down. So let's talk about your upper back. Your upper back is your thoracic spine, through your shoulder blades, even into your shoulders. These are the muscles that can get really weak when we're slumped over a computer all day. Sound familiar? Slumped over reading, in the car, those kind of things. So we have to work all of the muscles up and down your spine and really up into those shoulders and shoulder blades as well. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is take your left arm up. You're gonna look at your hand, bring it back behind you, and then up towards the ceiling and in front. I know, we're just starting with the hard stuff here, aren't we? Reach the arm back. This is usually harder than it looks like it will be, because again, we're used to slumping forward all day. So lift left arm up, 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 and over. Open that up. Bring it forward. We just want to make sure, especially from a physical therapy perspective here, that we're getting mobility through that upper spine. Okay, good. Now both arms up, and then around and in front of you. One more like that. Okay, arms up, up, around, and in front. This is the last one. I promise I'm going to change it up. Arms up, and then bring the hands behind your head. Inhale, rotate to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale, rotate to your right. And exhale, center. Yes, your legs are probably starting to get tired in your hips, especially if you're tight. Don't give up. You're doing awesome. Let's really help our posture, help headaches. This can help shoulder pain if you have even recurring shoulder tendinitis. Getting that upper back strong helps so much. Okay, one more each side. And center. Last one, and I'm going to let you change positions, I promise. And center. Nice job. Arms come down. Go ahead and carefully lay down on your back. So another piece about upper back strength that people don't always think about is that we're getting our entire back moving segmentally. So we're gonna do a bridge. You have your legs hip distance apart. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone. Roll yourself up, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale at the top. You should just be on your shoulder blades. Exhale, roll back down, starting from the top. So I'm gonna curl, 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 curl. So when I say move segmentally, we're trying to actually get each vertebrae moving on top of the next, instead of moving in chunks, which we tend to do. A lot of times we'll have a couple spots that are sticky. So just a few here to let our back move a little bit, which will help again open up that upper back. On this one, roll up, stay here. Reach your arms back behind you so they hit the ground, and then roll back down. This is just a really nice stretch for that upper back and across the collarbones. Arms down to your sides. Curl and roll up. Reach your arms back. Roll back down. Arms down to your sides. Just do one more for me. That's how important I think these are. Good. Reach the arms back. Leave them there. Let yourself be lengthened as you roll back down. Nice job. Bring your arms all the way down. And then I'm going to have you roll over onto your stomach. So find yourself on your tummy here and have your elbows down underneath your shoulders. Okay, so your hands are flat. Again, collarbones are open. This actually might be enough for you. Like if you're feeling a lot of stretch, just work on staying in this position. If you're okay here, what I want you to do is add a little kick of your leg. So right leg kicks in twice and out, left leg in, out. I know you wouldn't think of this so much as an upper back exercise either, but a lot of times in physical therapy, we'll just have people practice just on the ground in this position without the leg kick to help open up that upper spine, okay? Just a couple more on each side. Last one on each side, and 2. Nice job. Okay, I'm gonna have you lower down, and your hands here are gonna go underneath your shoulders. Zip your legs together, and you're gonna lift your head and your chest off the mat as much as you can, and then lower back down. So it's just a gentle lift of the head, and then it really mostly comes from the upper back. So I don't want you here. I don't know if you can see the difference when I'm just cranking on my neck. You really are just looking right at the top of your mat. So it's more about how much you can lift from the upper back. We're gonna do a few more. And if you'd like the next variation, what you're gonna do is float your hands and leave them off as you lift. And let's do about 2 more. Awesome, last one. And then lower back down. Nice job. Separate your feet to mat distance apart. Press all the way up. Just find this nice extension. And then take your time coming back onto all 4s. If you want a little child's pose there, go right ahead. So we're gonna be on all 4s with your hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And I want you to bring the right arm out in front of you. Stay here and pulse it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it out to the side. Pulse it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back behind you, palm up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sweep it all the way around in front again. Leave it here and reach the left leg back and hold it. And breathe. Spinal balance. Nice job. Lower back down. All right, we've got the left side to do. I'll turn around so you can see me from this side. So find that nice flat back just as much as you can. Bring that left arm forward. Pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out to the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back behind you, palm is up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Sweep it all the way in front again. Right leg is back, and hold your spinal balance and breathe. Nice job. Lower back down, knees wide, and sit back. We're gonna come forward for 1 more, and then we will be done. So 1 more. Come all the way forward for me. I want you to have a couple options here. So you're either gonna stay on all 4s and do some elbow bends. Okay, yes, we're ending with push-ups, but I'm not gonna call them that because we tend to get scared when we hear that. But they're a really good exercise actually for our chest and our upper back. But find the version that's doable for you. So it might just be here, just be on all 4s and do some elbow bends to the side. Otherwise, bring your knees together and find a plank on your knees and do push-ups here. And if you would rather be on your toes, you can. We're just gonna do a set. Think of elbows out to the side. Think of trying to open across those collarbones, long neck. Just 4 more. Nice job. 2, 1. Nice. And then we'll all find ourselves in 1 more child's pose position and roll up when you're ready. And great job working your upper back today.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.